To create a split screen transition in CapCut on your PC, follow these steps. Start by importing your first footage to the timeline. Then, add another footage on top of it. Move the playhead to where you want the split transition to start. Make a split and duplicate it, placing it on top. Mute this layer to focus on the next process. Select your middle layer second part footage, go to Mask, and choose Horizontal Mask. In the basic settings, add your first keyframe under position. Move the playhead to where you want the split transition to end. Shift your footage out of preview frame. Repeat the process for the duplicated clip, unhiding it, applying a horizontal mask, and rotating it by 180. In the basic settings, add your first keyframe under position. Continue by moving the playhead to where you want the animation to end. Drag your footage out of frame to complete the split screen transition in CapCut. That's it! I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.